How to turn on or off recommended to emo friends on your emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off recommended to your emo friends on your emo application. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your emo app. Once you are here, click on your profile and you're gonna find settings. Click on it and here tap on privacy and scroll down. You're gonna find recommended to emo friends. Click on it to turn off or on this option. If switch off, your profile will not be recommended to your emo friends, and if you turn on, your profile will be recommended to your emo friends. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.